Today I'll be making Irish apple cake. It is normal to always keep one on hand in the kitchen to be served with tea or as a dessert. Other traditional Irish desserts are Irish ginger snaps, Irish bannock, and Irish potato cake. Let's start by preheating the oven to 375. Next, sift the flour, baking powder, salt, cloves, and nutmeg into a large bowl. Cut the butter and mix into the flour using your hands or a pastry cutter until it resembles fine crumbs. Add 3/4 cup of sugar to the flour mixture and combine. For the apples, I didn't peel them because I wanted to see how the cake would turn out, and I definitely recommend peeling them. Then toss the apples into the flour mixture and fold in with a spatula. In a separate bowl, beat the eggs and milk together. Then add to the flour and apple mixture and mix with a spatula until just combined. It will be thick and dough-like. Transfer dough to a circular cake pan and flatten with the back of a spatula. Then place inside your oven and make sure to have a baking sheet underneath your cake so moisture doesn't drip through. Bake for 45 minutes and check the center for doneness. It should be golden brown. For the icing, whisk together the powdered sugar, milk, and vanilla. When the cake is done, take it out and let it cool. Then pour the icing.